So I have this tank top that I got when we went to Amelia Island, and I think a bit of the proceeds went to helping with ocean conservation or cleaning the oceans or something along those lines. But unfortunately, like the first couple times I wore it, I got a really gross stain on it. I don't know, food, coffee, something, but it's so super cute. And it's just like a little tank top. So I think what I'm gonna do is turn it into a market bag. Okay, so this is really super easy. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to cut strips all the way across from about here, and then we're going to tie them together. Okay, so after you cut it, it should look something like this, and then we are going to tie the straps together into a knot, and then everything will be tied, and that's what's going to hold everything together. So I'll show you that next. So we can split these apart. Just do that the whole way down. Now it should look something like this. Okay, now we're gonna tie them together. So you're gonna take the two opposite pieces. First, you're gonna go crossing over the top, loop it under, and just pull. And then you're gonna do it the opposite way, crossing it under the bottom, together, and pull really tight. And go to the next row, cross over the top, really tight, under the bottom, pull really tight. Now just do this till you get to the end, and then you'll be done. Here we go, the finished product. Market bag ready to go.